I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com right now. Two, one, get them. Boom. Yep. Perfect. Good. Good. Nice. Good. 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 Stay on your toes. Perfect. Perfect. Thighs and booty and pooch. That's what we working. Good. 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 Work. Good. Good. Keep working all the way to the top. Good. Work for it. Work for it. Work for it. Good. Come to me. Good. Finish. Lynn. Lynn. There you go. Good. Good. Nice. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 30. Boom. Yup. 1. Good. 2, perfect. Come on, B. 3, good. Gimme. 4, don't lose it. Come on, baby. 5.